Virgo, hi, welcome to your mid August reading. Let's start off with a general overall message for you for the rest of the month. What's coming towards you in terms of career, finances, whatever is pertinent, important for you. Let's get one more card and then we'll move into the tarot reading. Have faith in your dreams and a new start is coming. So this is your message. It's a beautiful one. Have faith in your dreams and a new start is coming. That's your overall message. So let's get into the tarot. We'll see what you encountered in the past and what you have in the present moment and what's coming towards you towards the end of August. So whatever was there in your past, what did Virgo face in their past, in your recent past and their recent past? Let's find out. The Lovers and Justice. So this is your recent past, Lovers and the Justice card. The current energies. Let's see what is there in your current. The Wheel of Fortune. This is your current energy. And what's coming towards you? Let's see what's coming towards you in August. That's way too many cards, but still. The Three of Cups, the Queen of Cups, and the Knight of Swords. That's what's coming towards you. So, the end of the deck is the Queen of Swords. So possibly you're dealing with an air sign, an Aquarius, Libra, or Gemini. Now, in your recent past, I think you were involved with a spiritual connection, a soul connection, a very beautiful card, which is the Lovers, wherein there is divine love, and this was possibly there was some sort of a kind of a breakup in your situation, or it is that you establish some sort of a balanced connection with somebody, which helped you restore your mental your mental fortitude or balance or whatever is there in your life that can help you with your happiness. So this is a spiritual connection. At the moment, what is happening is the Wheel of Fortune, and I see that the tables have turned. So if there was a temporary breakup, there was some sort of a skirmish or tiff with them, or in general within you, if there has been a conflict. Now is the time for change. I think you were undergoing some sort of spiritual transformation as well. And what's coming towards you is happiness, a lot of love, and somebody who is coming towards you with a lot of passion, or this is passion returning to your life, Virgo. So this card is, a new start is coming is your overarching message, and I think that's what it means. But anyhow, let's see what the overall cards, specifically what they indicate. Let's get clarification. So why is the Lovers card here? The Lovers, indicated by the King, Knight of Wands in the reverse. So this came in the reverse. So somebody was you met somebody who was probably in and out of your life. Probably he was this person had been the Knight of Wands, basically somebody who is very almost not very committal. They just want to make use of that particular moment and be happy and have fun, basically. So in the reverse, it could mean that they stopped being sort of in and out, and they wanted to get more serious, which is probably why the Justice card is here. Or it could also mean that they were not, the opposite could also be true. Okay, so it could have been a situation wherein you met somebody who caught your attention and they had the same feeling towards you, and but somewhere along the line there could have been a small break in the situation. Let's see why the Justice card is here. Why is the Justice card here? The Four of Swords. So somebody took a break from this relationship, having understood that it was more than fun. It was getting to be serious. Okay, and somebody took a break and they had to think twice before, think from a different perspective maybe, or somebody must have been healing from some inner emotion. It could have been a really intense one, and there was this break that was taken. So somebody stopped being the player over here and they started possibly to get serious about this connection. Now, why is the Wheel of Fortune here? Or they stop pursuing you, or you stop pursuing them. The Four of Pentacles and the Five of Pentacles. So somebody was too clingy and felt unwanted, and currently I think you are in separation, and basically the clinginess and the feeling of not being wanted, or this actually turns out to be an inner thing, something that is basically an interior or inner feature rather than external. One of you must have been very codependent in this relationship, and the other person felt a little suffocated maybe, but I think it's the other person about you, whoever it is. It could have been a fire sign, I don't know, but currently the energies are turning, the tables are turning, and things are getting better. I think you still are in separation, but let's get one more card. Okay, this card wanted to come. Seven of Pentacles. So somebody is waiting. Either you or them or both of you are waiting for a new start. Seven of Cups. So they have choice. They have choices, and probably you too have choice when it comes to this love. And the other person is probably wanting to have more independence. It could be an air sign as well. Now, what is coming towards you is the Three of Cups, Queen of Cups, and the Knight of Swords. So somebody is coming in fast to get you back, or you are moving fast in order to get hold of this person. Okay, explain the Three of Cups explained by the Nine of Pentacles. Let's get one more card. The Nine of Pentacles badly wanted to come out. So somebody is asserting their independence over here, but at the same time they are attracted to you, so they want to come back. Okay, let's get why is the Three of Cups over here? It's a card of joy and happiness and celebration, new beginnings, party time. Ace of Cups. So there is going to be a start to a new happiness over here. And why is the Queen of Cups here? The Sun and the World in the reverse. So it's not time. So what's coming is happiness. Okay, the World in the reverse indicates that possibly it will take some more time. The cycle is not complete, and for somebody to fully open their heart, it will take time. Why is the Knight of Swords here? The Knight of Swords. Who is this Knight of Swords? Is it you or is it them? Somebody is not done with you as yet, or you are not done with someone. The Page of Pentacles. So somebody wants a fresh start. Somebody has learned their lesson, and they now want a fresh start with you. Okay, and somebody is getting their wish fulfillment, indicated by the Nine of Cups at the bottom of the deck. So I believe that whatever was stalled over here is going to come full circle in some time, and it's going to be a new beginning, new emotional beginning. They are your spiritual companion, Virgo, and if it is not a relationship, then it's definitely self-love coming back and joy and passion coming back to your life. So I hope this resonates with you, and give me a like, share, subscribe if this resonates. Do share this with your any Virgos that you know, if you're cross watching, or if you're watching out for just for out of curiosity. Thanks a lot for joining, and we'll see you around. I'll see you around for your September reading. Bye bye.